We've had a great few days here at the City Resilience Workshop. Fantastic participation from cities, cantons, all around the country. For me, one of the highlights has been the way that the cities and the cantons have been sharing experiences, and I can see over the few days that they've taken the lessons that they've learned from the World Bank's global experience and the experience of the climate resilient cities work around the world, and they've taken that on board and they've looked at their own city situation and said, well, what can we do to make our cities more resilient to climate change? We had a great session, lightning talks, just over the last few hours, where cities have been presenting innovative ideas that they have for their city, green spaces, improvements in urban mobility, low carbon transport, waste management issues, flood protection issues, all sorts of ideas that they've had to really adapt their cities to changing conditions and make their cities cleaner, greener, better places to live, but doing it in a really constructive way where they look at what the cost of inaction is and very practically how they would involve not just their government budgets and international financial institutions, but also the private sector, looking for the right incentives to attract the private sector in to help them solve some of these problems. So I'm looking forward to seeing how some of these ideas that were presented, really take root and begin to grow into real projects that even the World Bank could help to finance, and seeing some of these ideas become real solutions in these cities.